Look at this masterpiece. No, I didn't spend 10 hours in Photoshop. I bullied a robot into making it for me. The robot's name?
Leonardo AI. And today, I'll show you how to use it without crying into your keyboard. Let's go.
First things first, sign up? Yes, it's free. No, they don't need your blood type or your Netflix password. Just an email. Log in and boom, you're inside the machine. Step 2. Let's start easy. I asked Leonardo for a cat wearing sunglasses. And well, here's what it gave me. Honestly, I'd hang this in my living room. Not bad, Leonardo. Not bad. Step 3. Now let's crank it up. This time, I want a cyberpunk Lamborghini poster. Ultra-realistic, neon lights everywhere. And boom! This is thumbnail material right here. Mid-journey, watch your back. Step 4. Here's where Leonardo gets spicy. Add styles, negative prompts, aspect ratios, the whole AI buffet. Let's do a Pixar-style astronaut dog. 3D render, no text. And there it is. Step 5. Now what do you actually do with this? Easy. YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, merch, print on demand, or just flex on your friends. So that's Leonardo AI in a nutshell. It's free, it's powerful, and sometimes it even listens to you. If you want my list of killer prompts, it's linked below. Subscribe if you like robots doing your work while you eat snacks. See you in the next one.